Hello, all my family members. Hope you all are really doing great in your life. And today we will talk about something really relevant in our life, which is problems. So, we will talk about how we can accept the problems as part of our life. When I talk about problems, so problem is like not a specific thing, okay? So the problem can be different from person to person. So a student is studying, so while he is studying, the problem, the challenge is there in that field. So the person is in any profession, so the problem comes from that area. So in life the normal problems came out, so the problems is different to person. When challenges problems come now, so we are all subject to our own pressure and subject to our own stress, individual worries and anxiety. It's totally different from person to person. Challenges and problems will come, but we can't stop the activity what exactly we promise to do. So if you are getting challenges, means you are in the right path and you are going to the right area. So without challenge there is no success in life. So if you are getting challenges, if you are getting problems, then you think in a positive way that the life is going in a straight way, right way, where the success is just going to come. So don't give up at the particular time. Stay on there, and the challenges will flow away, and the challenges will not there for lifelong. So we have to think about it, how you can handle it in a positive way. मैं एक बार सुना था कि जो चीता होता है, जो जब हम मर जाते हैं तो वो चीता जलाते हैं, तो चीता एक बार जलती है, बट जो चिंता होता है ना, वो पल पल जलाती है. चिंता इज known as stress. So stress will be there in life, because whenever we are growing in life, whenever we are doing something in our life, then definitely there will be stress. As I mentioned, the challenges, problems will be different from person to person, because we are in an era where the children also face some problems, challenges. As a human being, we will definitely face it. Like sometimes we also cry, but why? Okay, God has amazing plan for us. With all the challenges, all the difficulties, all the troubles He sends on our way, so He just check that how the person is reacting. He has incredible plan for us. Yes, God has incredible plan, amazing plan for us, but none of us know at the time when we face the challenges. None of us understand why this is happening with us. None of us see why the things are happening with us only. We just ask why me? Why the things are happening like this? So when we don't understand why this is happening, at the time we cry. We just don't understand why the things are happening with us. So when you don't have any direction in your life, you don't have any idea what you need to do, just imagine along with me, you are driving a car, there is a headlight, you are just driving it in the night, you only can see 100 to 200 meter ahead of you, but you are still driving the car, you are still going ahead. So the same way we need to go forward in life, we need to move forward, move further, and that's way we can keep the faith and believe in ourselves, and we can move further in life. Then only we can achieve the things what exactly we are looking for, and we will definitely achieve all our dreams, all our goals. There is no doubt about it, if we are keep the things going on and make a consistent effort towards it. Believe me friends, definitely we will achieve all our dreams, all our goals, and at a point everyone will see us, and all of our family members, everyone will feel proud about it. Friends, I want to tell you that accept the problems, accept the challenges as part of our life, because we are alive in this world, means the problems, challenges will definitely come to our way, and God is just sending that to us to check our credibility, check our patience. Thanks a lot for listening to this. I am your friend Ashutosh, always along with you in your growth, in your journey, and share this with your loved one who is struggling now. Definitely this will helpful to him. Thanks a lot for listening to it, and your love. Stay healthy and stay happy.